Hey baddies, it's your girl Kaylia, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this easy 5 to 10 minute glowy makeup base that is perfect for school in the morning, getting ready for work, going out in a rush. So keep on watching if you want to learn how I did this makeup look. So for this week, I am going to be showing you how to do like this back to school makeup because I know school is starting like right around the corner. Where I'm from, it starts in like 2 weeks. I'm obviously not going to school because I am well past the age to go to high school. I mean, I could go to college, but yeah. First, I'm going to go in with the Sight London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Next, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Cream Bronzer in Honey. And I'm going in with a brush just like this. It's just like a, I don't even know what this is, like a stamping brush. This is the Japan Squee brush. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but that's what it is. And I'm going to put this on my temples up here and bronze my forehead and my cheeks. For blush, I'm going in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in the shade Hope. Now to start concealing my face, I am going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And we are just going to cover up any blemishes that we have. Just brighten up my eye area. I am going to go in with the tiniest amount of setting powder. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm just going to take that on a powder puff. And I'm really just putting this in my T-zone area and a little bit underneath my eyes. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And this is what she looks like. She's very skinny, so we can really make some good eyebrows and some good hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. For mascara, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, and this is the black shade. I am going to set my face with the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist because it's dewy, obviously, and it smells really good. It smells like coconut, so if you love coconut, this is exactly what this smells like, and it's amazing. This is my second bottle. And then I'm going to go in with this highlight. This is the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in Enlighten, just because I like highlighter and I just want to give my skin an extra glow. And last but not least, for lips, I'm going in with two products. This is the e.l.f. Lip Stain in Power Mauve. This is what she looks like, and whenever you take her off, she is a little bit pinker than what she puts on. And then I'm gonna go in and top it off with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys have a great school year. Take it all in, because after school ends and you graduate, life goes downhill. Yeah, it goes downhill really fast, and it starts going by really fast. And I know everyone tells you that, but it's true. Trust me, it's true, because I was just like you guys. That's like, oh, school is so boring. I just wish it was over so I didn't have to go to school. Adult life is so much worse. It really is. I mean, there are ups to adult life. I mean, you can do whatever you want, in a sense, but your life starts flying by. I feel like COVID has really thrown off my time perception, because what do you mean? I graduated like 6 years ago, and I'm turning 25 this year. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are feeling generous, you guys can always like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!